Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show your Instagram story to only one person. So let's start. First, open your Instagram app. Once it's open, tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Now, click on the three lines at the top right, the menu button. Here, you'll see an option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Once it opens, scroll down a little bit. You'll see an option called Close Friends. Tap on it to open the Close Friends list. Now, from this list, select the person you want your story to be visible to. You can also use the search bar at the top if you don't see their name right away. After selecting, tap the Done button. That's it. That person has now been added to your Close Friends list. Now go back to your home screen. Just like you normally post a story, tap on Your Story. You can choose any photo or video from your gallery, or you can click a new one directly from the camera. I'll quickly click a photo here. Done. The photo is added. Now, if you want to add stickers, text, or filters, you can do that. Once everything looks good, tap on Close Friends at the bottom to post it. And that's it. Your story has been uploaded, and it will be visible only to that one person you selected in your Close Friends list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.